All right, so, you know, I've been on this TikTok now for since April. And I'm still getting a lot of hate messages on, oh my God, disgusting. You should be hiding. You shouldn't be coming out like that. Like, what is that? Like, what did one person say? One person said I had a granny body. Then the next person said it looked like craters on a mountain. And I got called a shriveled prune. And I got called, oh my God, girlfriend, you should be hiding looking like that. Let me explain something to you, okay? Let me explain something really clear to you. The world is composed of all different types of people. Okay, we have different colors, right? We have different heights. We have different weight. We have, disabilities. We have all types of people in this world. And you're on TikTok where you're going to see a lot of those differences. And what you should be doing, if you pass along my page, on the For You page, along one of my videos, and you don't like the way I look, you can simply scroll, right? That's what you do, because you don't have to be on my page looking at my videos. You don't have to like me. You can think I'm disgusting because I lost 176 pounds and I haven't had cosmetic surgery because of the risks. You can think I'm disgusting. You cannot like me. It's all good. I'm not here to please everybody. But the thing is, though, what you can do is get off my page, because I'm not here to people please, and I am not here for everybody to love me. What I'm here for is for the queens on TikTok who need my support, who have the same loose skin as I do and are struggling to love themselves right now. I'm here for the queens who lack the self-confidence to get out with them shorts and them little dresses like I do, because I've learned to accept myself and love myself this way. Not everybody's there yet, and they deserve the support of the body positivity.